Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. You are migrating SAP to Azure. The ASCS application servers are in one Azure zone, and the SAP database server in a different Azure zone. ASCS, AZ is configured for high availability. During performance testing, you discover increased response times in Azure. Even though the Azure environment has better computer and memory configurations than the on-premises environment. During the initial analysis, you discover an increased wait time for NQ. What are 3 possible causes of the increased wait time? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A. A missing NQ profile. Option B. Disk I/O during NQ backup operations. Option C. Misconfigured load balancer rules and health check probes for NQ in ASCS. Option D. Active NQ replication. Option E. Network latency between the database server and the SAP application servers. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Disk I/O during NQ backup operations. Option D. Active NQ replication. Option E. Network latency between the database server and the SAP application servers. Question 2. You have an on-premises SAP environment that uses X servers and IBM DB2 as the database platform. You plan to migrate SAP to Azure. In Azure, the SAP Workloads will use Windows Server and Microsoft SQL Server as the database platform. What should you use to export from DB2 and import the data to SQL Server? Option A. R3 load. Option B. Azure SQL Data Warehouse. Option C. SQL Server Management Studio. SSMS. Option D. R3 Trans. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. R3 load. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.